Hey there, coming to you live from SEMA. I'm standing in front of the ACE lathe. We recently introduced a number of improvements to this lathe. We beefed up the comp plate to make it more durable. We added a damper to make it easier to put it on and off the car. We added a number of different handles to make it just generally more ergonomic. Lots of improvements have been wrapped into this lathe, but this show we're actually showing something new and something different, and that's a cordless option. Basically, we supply a bracketry that allows you to add a power generator to the trolley. What that does is it basically cuts the cord, and now I can plug the lathe into this generator and I can cut 40 rotors before I need to recharge this generator. So you can think of this as the old gas generators, but now we've gotten rid of the engine and we replaced it with lithium-ion batteries, so it's safe to use in a shop. So very handy. Not only is it handy for moving around an ACE lathe, I don't have to go find an outlet to plug the lathe in, but it's also really handy for other devices. In shops, we need power all the time to run tools, charge batteries. Techs can even charge their phones on this without having a problem. So I think what you're gonna find is not only is this useful for using the lathe, but it's also really handy as a general utility tool in the shop. So thank you very much for watching, and you can check us out on hunter.com to learn more.